in northeastern Florida, central Putnam County in northeastern Florida, northeastern Marion County in northern Florida until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:48 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain has already fallen in less than an hour between Soooooooo and Fennell. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Palm Coast, Palatka, Flagler Beach, Fennell, Crescent City, Interlaken, Pomona Park, East Palatka, Fort McCoy, and Salt Springs. Precautionary/preparedness actions: be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
The best thing to do right now, you might want to get out there and sightsee.
Alright, well, I know I wasn't able to get the whole EAS, but it seems like they're changing the tone of them now. I mean, the others still had the old voice that we're all used to, but it seems like now it sounded more like a voice you'd hear on Go Animates. But yeah, here we're not getting any music stations right now. They've all switched over to the radio stations. That was 107.3, which is like the alternative. This is 106.5, which is the easy listening. You kind of hear something. I believe that's 104, which is a talk station. But anyone who lives in northeastern Florida would know what I'm talking about. So it's funny how none of them are even playing any music right now. So, by the way, this is a Denon receiver. I'm not using it because it doesn't even work. But and also I'm using my boombox because the power's been flickering on and off, and I really hate the sound of that. And so I'm kind of using it to sort of drown out the noise from the transformer switching on and off when that happens. Yeah, it's crazy. Like, I know I didn't make any videos about this during when Matthew happened, but it's like, it also seems like, you know, Matthew caused us more problems because the power just went straight out for 24 hours. Well, about that. But, here, we went over to my grandmother's, though, later that night. You know, the first day it was out. And, because she has a generator, but they didn't even lose power to begin with. And then, like, the next day, it's crazy how it felt like there wasn't even a hurricane there. But it also blew a tree down onto my neighbor's house. So, you know, it's funny to think that, you know, it seems like last year it seemed like we were more affected by it, but it seemed like, you know, but I think the thing was Matthew was more concentrated, but Irma, it seems to be affecting more people. Like, it's affecting the radio stations, and it's affecting all the various grids. It's just crazy what's been going on. Yeah. See, that's, I believe this is 99.9, which I don't really listen to this station. It's the country station, but they're out. Whoa. Well, maybe not completely. Yeah, that antenna's been broken for years.
Trust Jacksonville's chief meteorologist Mike Burrish and the Action News Jax First Alert Weather.
So there's 106.5. That was one I was trying to listen to, and then they were putting all the audio from 106 for 104.5, the weather broadcast on it. When I'm playing commercial, they might be coming back to music. Alright, well, another EAS just came on. Let's see what this one is. Oh, and now our power went out again. See, it's got that different voice on it.
and St. John's, effective until 3:49 a.m. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a flash flood warning for Flagler County in northeastern Florida,
That ain't good.
South Central St. Johns County in northeastern Florida, Central Putnam County in northeastern Florida, northeastern Marion County in northern Florida until 3:45
I'm almost
a.m.
out of time.
Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:48 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain has already fallen in less than an hour between Sassowa and Grinnell. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly.
There we
Some
go.
locations that will experience flooding include Palm Coast, Palatka, Flagler
There we
Beach,
go again.
Crescent City, Interlaken, Pomona Park,